Turn that music off. Alright, let me see you. Come here. Stand. Let me see. No, let me see you, Grace. Make sure.
Oh, you?
Let me see.
The camera's in my belly button.
Yeah, well, come here. Let me see. Stop. Gracie, let me see you. Because we got to still pack up the gingerbread cookie. Stop.
I'm looking for your belly button.
Gracie, that's not appropriate.
Where's your belly button?
Gracie, not appropriate.
Belly button.
Stop.
Belly button.
Gracie, stop. Let me see you. Let me see you. See your eyes? Alright, I like to see your eyes because they're beautiful. They're beautiful blue eyes. Okay. Alright, now look at me. Look at me. Hey, you did very, very good this weekend. Hey, we made gingerbread man. We got to pack them all up, don't we? Went to church.
I want to tell you a secret.
What? I love you too. Okay, here, look at me. Look at me. I just want you to know that I'm very proud of you, okay? Okay? And no matter what, hey, Gracie, Friday there was a tragedy that happened in Connecticut, okay? And I want you to know that stuff like that scares me, okay? And I want you to know that Daddy loves you with his entire heart. Look at me in the eye. I'm very proud of you and I love you, okay? And Mommy loves you. And Grandpa Jansen loves you. And Grandma loves you. And Megan loves you, okay? And Aunt Ann loves you. And Uncle T. And Liam. And Braden. And Jude. And Marilia.
But
Stand up.
But
hey.
But Braden loves me the most.
We all love you the same. There's no such thing as loving the most, okay? There's no such thing as that. You know why? Because we all love each other. But sometimes we love differently, okay? Doesn't mean that somebody loves you more or less. It just means they love you differently. Like, I love you differently than Mommy. Because Mommy does Mommy stuff with you and Daddy does Daddy stuff with you, doesn't I? Don't I?
Well, Braden is my cousin.
Yeah, so are Liam and Jude. Now stand up. Now, let's go over. What don't we do? Come here. No, put that down. Put that down. I know what you're going for. Come here. Come here. Oh, you went for that? I thought you were going for the bell. Okay, what don't we do? Look at Daddy. Because you know what? I always got to make sure I go over this with you. What don't we do? What don't we do?
We don't do drugs. We don't do alcohol.
Very
we
good.
don't do cigarettes. We don't.
Any kind of tobacco whatsoever.
And we don't touch people in the private parts. And
if somebody touches you in a private area, like your boob or your place where you go to the potty or poo-poo, or touches you like that, who do we tell?
Everybody.
Right.
Except the person.
Right. And we listen to our teachers, do we not? Okay. And we listen to Mommy, and we listen to Grandma, we listen to Grandpa, and we listen to Daddy, and we listen to the police, okay? And if somebody ever tries to hurt you, what do you say? What do you do? You do not keep that a secret at all. If somebody puts a bruise on you or somebody hurts you in any way, shape, or form, what do? You immediately, there's no secrets there, is there? There's no such thing as secrets, is there? You tell anybody and everybody. Okay?
Santa is on
Give me a hug and kiss, sweetie. I love you. Come here. Get your foot off me so you give me a decent hug. Oh, come here. I love you. And I don't ever want you to end up like what happened to those people in Connecticut, okay?
Santa Claus is on you.
You make sure to keep praying for them, okay? Okay, give me a kiss. I love you.
Santa is on your
Santa on my head again. I told him to get off my head last week. Okay, I go get my shirt on.
Santa is on your head and you big bag, so he's not going to give you presents.
You're going to stand next to your Christmas lights? Ooh. Should I plug them in?